Hello everybody, Blessed Chick here. Today we're taking a look at the water ripples light effect. This LED light comes with a remote control as well, and you've got several different options. That's what it looks like. I know it's pretty dark in here, so I'm just going to show you the different effects that it has. And some of them look almost a little bit like fire as well. So let's check out the effect that this puts off. I'm going to switch to a few of the different modes. This one looks a little bit like almost like flames because it's red. This one switches from color to color. It's a really cool effect. This one is hooked up to sound, so you can see when I stop talking versus when I start talking, it changes. So that's pretty cool. Overall, this is really neat. I can see how it might get a bit monotonous if this is the only light you have, but if you have a couple, this is definitely one that'll change it up and make it fun and interesting. It's really a cool little light. Not too big. Works great. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.